With the BLUEMARK ID Color high-speed UV LED printer, your everyday marking is more colorful. The combination of a multicolor printer and more than 1,300 marking solutions provides you with the perfect option for your industrial identification. Regardless of which marking requirements you have, the BLUEMARK ID Color provides all options for them. Here, you have a so-called card format available, for example, made of polycarbonate or polyamide. But you can also print self-adhesive labels in the so-called US format, or even metal signs that you can use, for example, for a rating plate. Thus, it does not matter what you want to print. The BLUEMARK ID Color provides you with all options. Thanks to the proven and environmentally sound UV LED technology, you can use all of the marking materials that you have printed immediately. This means that when, for example, you have printed this here, you can rub over it immediately or even scratch it, and the marking remains intact. And best of all, the entire printing process is also free of emissions. An additional advantage of the BLUEMARK ID Color is its integrated 7-inch touch display. This means that I no longer need a laptop thanks to the touch display. Therefore, I can create my marking here on site directly, and I am immediately ready for action and can install everything in the application. If, for example, you need a large number of markers at once, and you do not want to have to insert an individual sheet at a time, then you can quite easily open the cover here at the top. Take the stack that you want to mark and simply position it here at the top. You do not need to worry about the direction of feet. Simply close the flap and that is it. You can now start the printing job immediately. If you want to print so-called US sheets, all you have to do is insert these via the compartment at the front. To do so, simply go to the touch display and press on Open Compartment, and then you can insert your marking material with ease. If you have more complex projects, such as a rating plate that contains many lines, or even a company logo, you would never be able to realize this via the touch display and marking editor. For this, you can use the Project Complete marking software. This is also easy, because all you have to do is take your USB stick, insert it here into the slot provided for this, and import your projects. You can call up all of the information that you need via the touch display. If, for example, you want to know the fill level or the use-by date of your ink cartridges, for example, you can call this up here. To do so, all you have to do is press on the information button and you can immediately see the fill levels and use-by dates. You can also see directly which order number needs to be used to order and receive a new ink cartridge. As you have now seen, industrial identification can be very easy with the BLUEMARK ID Color. Firstly, you have an enormous marking portfolio with more than 1,300 options to choose from. Secondly, it is very user-friendly, and it is very fast. You can mark up to 21,000 markers per hour. And thirdly, it is completely environmentally sound because printing is completely free of emissions.